Exercise 16. Modify the program so that it finds the letter whether it is in uppercase or lowercase. So if the user types capital E, it should print the position of E, of lowercase e. If the user types lowercase h, it should print the position of uppercase H. The program, of course, is the one from exercise 15. So let's copy this. And paste it there. Now, if we're going to use, or rather we can't predict whether the user will put uppercase or lowercase, then we're going to use the string methods upper and lower so that we can compare like strings. That is, we can compare uppercase with uppercase or lowercase with lowercase. That means we need to change our strings somewhere in our program. So if we're to go with all lowercase, we'd simply come here and say dot lower, don't forget the brackets, same here. So this means Python will check if the lowercase version of my letter is in the lowercase version of my string. So if it is, then, well, this can remain as it is, and we change this. We add here my string dot lower dot index my letter dot lower. Okay, so we can test it. Enter a letter to check for, and I enter capital E. It says it's at index 1. If I try that again and I enter lowercase h, it says it's at index 0. So it's working. Okay. In the next video, I will show a simpler way of doing this instead of having this sort of complicated looking code here. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.